In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and send an email in Kartra. Start by going to Marketing and selecting Emails and SMS. Use the button at the top right corner to create a new email. You can create a plain text email or choose a rich template design to start from. We'll choose plain text for now, but you can always change the template later in the email builder. Next, name the email and create. Now you can go through the tabs to configure each of the settings you need. Under Message, you can edit message to open the email builder and customize the email content. Here, you could update the subject and preview text. You can also add one attachment to the email from your media library. Below, you can customize the email body. To personalize the email, you can add dynamic variables. Clicking variables will display a list of short codes you can add to the email. For example, you can add the variable for first name in the body, and when the email is sent, the system will populate the details from the contact's profile. You could also add your commonly used variables, including custom fields, to this easy access list. For full builder functionality and to unlock the Components menu, you'll need to craft your email with a rich template. Click the Replace Template button to browse through the same template library you saw when initially creating the email. Select a rich template to use. Note that replacing a template will replace everything in the email body field. Now that you're working with a rich template, you can access the Components menu and drag in elements. You can customize components by clicking the pencil icon to edit. At the top of the builder, you can change the alignment, switch between desktop and mobile view, as well as change the background and canvas colors. There's also an option to send yourself a test email. Please note that test emails are sent from notifications at kartra.com and will not include attachments or populate dynamic variables. When you're done customizing the email, you can go to the Actions drop-down to save and exit the email builder. In this drop-down, there's also an option to save this email as a template. You can find your saved templates anytime you are selecting a design under My Templates. In the next tab, you can configure the From to settings. The Communication Gateway is where you can update the sender details that will be used to send this email. Communication Recipients is where you can set the conditions for who you want this email to be sent to. By default, this is set to Only Me, but you can delete that, and from the drop-down, select the condition you want. For example, I want to send this email to anyone subscribed to a specific mailing list. You can also add additional conditions using and or. And means all the conditions must be met to be included as a recipient. Or means that either condition needs to be met to be included as a recipient. Moving on to automations, you can create basic automations based on actions that happen with this email. For example, if the contact opens this email, clicks on a specific link in the email, or does not open or click a link within a certain number of hours. When all the settings are done, you can click the button at the top right corner to send or schedule. You can send the email right now, schedule the email for a later date and time, based on your account time zone, or save it as a draft to finish up later. The Analytics tab will show analytics for this email once it is sent live. Going back to the Emails and SMS area, you can see each email marked as draft, scheduled, or sent. Thank you, and we hope you found this useful.